People ask me about mini split systems. Mini split systems are extremely popular in other parts of the world. In Asia and Europe, they're used a lot. I think one of the reasons they're more popular there than they are here is because they have smaller homes there, and it makes sense to have a few small units rather than one centralized unit. Now, we do sell quite a few mini splits in the Houston area here, but usually it's for extra rooms that are added on, or if there's a section of the house that is just not cooling well enough. Another example that we use a mini split for is if you have a computer room and there's a lot of heat given off in that particular room, it gives it extra coolness for that area. Now, using mini splits are actually more efficient than central systems. The centralized system has a series of ductworks that usually are transversing the attic. These duct systems are spread out in the attic, and you know attics can get pretty hot in the Houston area. We've been in attics that have been 150, 160 degrees on a hot summer day. So if you have all that air going through those ducts, even though they're well insulated, it's still going to affect that temperature, and it makes the whole system inefficient. Whereas a ductless system or a mini split, it has no ducts. It connects to the outside unit. The only thing that's connecting it to the outside unit is the refrigeration lines. So there's no loss of heat into the attic or through those ducts. So it's actually a much more efficient system. And you can get mini split systems as high as 25 or more SEER rating, which is the efficiency for that particular unit. If your air conditioner breaks down, if your heater is not working, if you're just not getting the performance out of your system that you want to, call Air National Texas at 281-251-3143. Or you can visit us on our website at airnationaltexas.com. At Air National Texas, we create your comfort zone.